Having an attitude of gratitude is about always giving thanks for our blessings. With each passing day, remember to give thanks to your Maker for the many opportunities, successes, and life lessons. Every day brings you new challenges, new things to be thankful for, and new opportunities to make your life wonderful. If the sun rises, it's a good day. So count your blessings. Each day, just after you wake up and before going to bed, count your blessings, feel gratitude, and give thanks. Also, keep a gratitude journal. Ask yourself, what good things happened today? List them in your journal and reflect on them. Use your talents to help other people. You were given many unique qualities and talents. Sharing your gifts with those less fortunate is an excellent way to show your gratitude for your blessings. It helps others and it brings satisfaction and fulfillment to you as well. Give a portion of your money or time to those who are in need. Volunteer at your local school, library, shelter, food bank, or community organization. Get involved in a cause you feel passionate about and do whatever you can to help.